Hey guys, it's Dustin with ClicksGeek, and I'm back with a new Google Ads case study from a roofing client. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss all the great case studies and Google Ads training that we drop in here daily for you. Let's dive into this campaign really quick. As I mentioned, it's a roofing campaign here. This particular campaign we're doing $160 per day budget. And we are looking at this from a 30-day window, last 30 days. So within that 30 days, we've sent 147 clicks with a click-through rate of 3.61%. Conversion rate is 23.13%, which means that of 100 actual clicks that we send to the web page, 23 of those become an actual customer or lead. And then within that, 34 conversions within this have happen, or conversions or leads within this 30-day window. And then the cost per acquisition is $99.94. So just shy of $100 here. So the total cost for the entire month is $3,097. This particular campaign, we're sending both a lead form and calls. So the consumer will, once they reach the page or landing page that we've built for them, they will either fill in the information, name, email, phone number, what they're interested in, or they'll pick up their phone or touch to call and actually call the number that's on the web page, and all that, both the lead form and the calls, track back into this campaign automatically, so that they can be so we can figure out what our return on investment is on that. So let's take a look at the ad groups. So the ad groups are basically just they consist of, it's basically categories of how, the categories of different types of keywords that we're wanting to send the customer to. So for instance, Houston roofers, that will consist of everything, all keywords associated to that are specifically about Houston roofers and local roofing companies and so on and so on. That's how this works. And then as you'll see here, our target cost per acquisition for this campaign, which is what we're targeting to pay per lead, which is, it's coming in well below that. So that's really good. And it's $152. Let's take a look at the actual keywords that we're using. All right, as you'll see here, so we're using very intent focused. We're using phrase match and we're using exact match, which means phrase match means this phrase, these two words have to consist of what the consumer is actually searching for to find this campaign. And then exact match means they have to search for this exact, find local roofers or roofing companies near me. So that's what this means. And as you can see here, we're using roofing contractors, roofing company, Houston Best Roofing Contractors, which the reason we're using that is because it's a company based out of Houston, or focusing on Houston area. So yeah, if you own a roofing company business and you're interested in running a successful Google Ads campaign like this one, reach out to us. There's an application link in the description below. Our team can set up this campaign for your business and launch it for you within 24 to 48 hours. So that's all I have for today. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you soon.